distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon the participant of the Virtual Complex Nusantara 2024.
One, two, smile.
While we're looking for something to eat during our break, how about we practice using the different Indonesian endearments for their family members?
Look! There's ate and kuya, which are mas and kakak in Bahasa Indonesia.
A grandmother, referred to as Lola in Filipino, is called Nenek in Bahasa Indonesia.
We also stumbled upon a hardworking uncle or paman in Bahasa Indonesia. Here we have an ibu together with mbak and adik in their family.
The session today is so fun. I can't still get over the fact that we are able to introduce ourselves using Bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah, I completely agree with you, Rain. It was very fun and interactive. So, how did you do it again?
Okay, ask me.
Hi, siapa nama Anda?
Selamat siang, because it's already 10. So, selamat siang.
Interesting.
Nama saya Reina.
Wow!
Okay. What about this one? Dari mana Anda berasal?
Oh, I know that one. Saya berasal dari University of Southern Mindanao, Philippines.
Wow! Don't forget to say that. Terima kasih.
Yes.
Om Swastiastu.
Okay.
I also love the fact that they also introduce us to their currency.
Wow.
Yeah, I feel the same, Eilish. If we have 100 pesos here in the Philippines, they have Serato in Indonesia. Then Sumarato, Tigarato, and the list goes on.
Wow. Okay,
It's like they are teaching us now how not to get scammed when we visit their country in the future.
You have a point.
You're right, Daniel, but kidding aside, it's really informative, right? Aside from teaching us the basics of introducing ourselves,
Basic form of greeting.
basic form of greetings,
their
their
greetings.
currencies,
Oh, yeah.
and they also taught us about directions. Left in Bahasa Indonesia is kiri,
Oh,
while
yes.
right is kanan. Which is really interesting because we also use the term kanan
Kanan,
for
yeah.
the term
Kanan
right
is right.
in Filipino.
Yeah.
Actually, I also noticed that, Joanna, our language really shares a lot of similarities with that of Bahasa Indonesia. And my God, guys, you remember they also taught us about the 4 cardinal directions?
Yeah, the directions.
Okay. We have the north for Utara, south for Selatan, east is for Timor, and then they have west. They refer to it as Barat.
Oh, yes. And also they have the bawa for bottom and atas for top. And then the bawa for down, the downward, and the atas for upward.
Huh? I don't think that's entirely incorrect. Correct, Reynan?
What do you mean?
Because Tibawa is actually below and the atas is above.
No, I don't think that's correct either, Tris.
I actually agree with Tristan
Diba?
because the term for downward is akibawa and ke atas is for upward.
Yeah. Yes, girl.
No, I don't. I can still remember it clearly.
I actually agree with Tristan. You guys are wrong.
Yeah.
Guys, come on.
Yeah.
Mga what time po kayo mag-out ngayon?
Mga 6 p.m. po.
6 p.m. Okay. Ma'am, makisuyo na lang ma'am ha. Sir, pag mag-out po kayo mamaya, pa-off na lang lahat ang lights natin. At yung aircon, pa-off na rin po. At bago po kayo maglabas, palak na rin po. And pagdating sa baba, magsabi lang po kayo na yung sky room okay na po, nalak na. Salamat!